Have you ever dreamed of starting your own chicken farm and turning it into a successful business? Whether you're looking to supply organic eggs, broilers, or niche poultry products, starting a chicken farm can be both rewarding and profitable. From selecting the right breed of chickens to setting up an organic broiler poultry farm, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process. And don't worry if you're just starting out, this video is designed for beginners. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. So you want to start a chicken farm? That's awesome. Before buying your first chick, understand the poultry industry. Research market trends and demand for organic chicken. Are there many competitors, or is there a market gap? Answer these questions before starting. Then create a rock-solid business plan. Define your target market, outline costs and project revenue. Develop a marketing strategy. I recommend Live Plan or Biz Plan. Choosing the right location for your chicken farm is crucial. You need enough space. Good ventilation is key. Ensure easy access to water and electricity. Now for the fun part, choosing your chicken breed. This is where things get exciting. Each breed has unique characteristics. Some are better for meat, others for eggs. Cornish cross is great for meat. Leghorns excel in egg production. Alright, now it's time to talk chicken housing. Your chickens need a safe, comfortable, and functional place to call home. A good chicken coop should protect them from predators, provide adequate space to move around, and have proper ventilation to keep the air fresh. For layers, about 2 to 3 square feet per bird is ideal. You can either build your own chicken coop or buy a pre-made one. We all know that you are what you eat, and chickens are no exception. Feeding your chickens a nutritious diet is crucial for their health, happiness, and productivity. If you're going the organic route, you'll need to source certified organic feed that's free of GMOs, antibiotics, and other harmful additives. You can find high-quality organic chicken feed from reputable suppliers online. Besides feed, make sure your chickens have access to fresh, clean water at all times. Chickens can get dehydrated quickly, especially during the hotter months, so having a reliable water source is essential. Hygiene is non-negotiable when it comes to raising chickens. Trust me, a clean coop is a happy coop. Chickens are naturally messy creatures, so you'll need to stay on top of cleaning to prevent the spread of diseases and keep your flock healthy. Regular coop cleaning is a must. Remove droppings, replace bedding, and scrub surfaces with a pet-safe disinfectant. In addition to regular cleaning, it's important to practice good biosecurity measures. Just like us, chickens need regular checkups and preventative care to stay healthy. Building a relationship with a local veterinarian who specializes in poultry is one of the best things you can do for your flock. Vaccinations are crucial for preventing common chicken diseases like Newcastle disease, Marek's disease, and infectious bronchitis. It's also a good idea to keep a well-stocked first aid kit on hand for minor injuries or illnesses. So you've decided to go organic? That's awesome! There's a huge demand for organic poultry and consumers are willing to pay a premium for it. But going organic isn't as simple as just slapping an organic label on your products. There are specific standards and regulations you need to meet to become certified. You'll need to source your chicks from certified organic hatcheries and feed them certified organic feed. You've put in the hard work, you've got a thriving flock of happy, healthy chickens, and now it's time to get the word out about your awesome chicken farm business. Social media is your best friend. Create engaging content, share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your farm, and connect with potential customers on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. High-quality photos and videos of your chickens roaming freely on pasture are a surefire way to grab people's attention. Consider creating a website for your business. Congratulations, your chicken farm is a success. You've got a loyal customer base and steady revenue. But what's next? Consider scaling up your operation, diversify your product line, sell chicken manure as fertilizer, offer a farm-to-table delivery service, or process your own chicken products. Starting a chicken farm business may seem overwhelming, but with the right planning and tools, it's absolutely doable and profitable. From choosing your chicken breed to scaling your business, every step we discussed today is designed to set you up for success. If you're ready to get started, check out the affiliate links in the description for tools and resources to help you build your farm. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on launching and growing your business.